The air crackles with anticipation as the first gears of war begin to turn, setting the stage for an era defined by steam-powered might. A colossal steam-powered tank rumbles across the battlefield, its brass armor gleaming ominously as it advances. Inside a Zeppelin soaring through the clouds, a daring airship pilot navigates through a storm. A lone inventor races against time to repair a critical steam engine, sparks flying as he works. A high-stakes air duel ensues between two steam-powered fighter planes, their pilots maneuvering skillfully through the clouds. Deep beneath the Earth, a team of engineers unearths a lost city powered by geothermal steam. A daring raid on an enemy fortress is carried out by a team of stealthy soldiers, equipped with steam-powered grappling hooks. In a bustling steampunk metropolis, a charismatic leader rallies the masses against a tyrannical oppressor. A brilliant scientist makes a groundbreaking discovery that could change the course of the war. A desperate chase ensues through the narrow streets of a steampunk city, with pursuers and pursued utilizing steam-powered gadgets. A secret meeting takes place in a hidden underground bunker, where rebels plot their next move against the Empire. A massive steam-powered robot goes on a rampage, wreaking havoc in a bustling city. A desperate message is sent via telegraph, warning of an impending attack.